Hello from above.
Alright, we're gonna start the video in a second. Let me just get ready real quick. This is gonna all fucking right, boys. Well, here we are. Like I said, this is gonna be an update. Y'all hear that plane? Some like that reminds me of Air Cadets back in the what? Let's start off by saying I'm in a 2005 G35 sedan. Oh shit. Wow. I guess I'll keep that in the video. I can't believe I just did that. That's why I stalled. Oh, that's so stupid. Oh, here we are. My 2005 G35. This video is, catch you up with things with the boy. Jesus Christ, we're gonna get gas right now. So I was like, I still haven't really properly showed this car. This is a car I've been wanting too. Like, if you know me, you know I've always wanted a 6-speed. Once I realized that I was stupid and that Infiniti actually did make these in a manual, I was like, fuck. Well, I fucked up. And here we are. 4 or 5 months after the other G broke, we're back. Basically in the same shit. But 6-speed, rev up. This bitch got ISR coilovers, one of them's blown. What else? My gas gauge is kind of fucked. Which is weird because like this is the 05, so I don't know. It only got 208 on the chassis and supposedly 60k on the motor. I don't know how true that is, so I don't know how much on the motor. But yeah, it's a little sketchy because supposedly this was engine swapped by a shop. I feel that they fucked something. This car should not be. I don't know. Like I know a lot of Nissans do that shit. Do that shit too though. Like my buddy's Maxima does that shit. The first G it used to do that, but that's only if you parked on a hill. You know what I'm saying? This thing's just all the time. Yeah, this bitch got a little intake on it, but yeah, this rev up, yo, it's pretty sick. I like it. I like it a lot. I don't know. I want this car to sound better, and then I'll love this car even more because like that's all it's missing is the sound. Honestly, for me right now, it's just missing some sound. It's like other than that, like the way this thing feels is pretty sick. I will show you guys the exterior later on, but for right now, we're just gonna get gas. It's bumpy as fuck. That's that static life though, and I'm not even that low. This one's on some 18-inch wheels, niche or something. Yeah, they're niche wheels or some shit. They're not Rishi. I don't know. Somebody told me it's R, and I searched it up. I was like, Nick, it's not R, it's N. I was right, fam. I was saying it right though. Well, not like right, but I was closer than Rishi, fam. But anyway, yeah, I'm kind of sad there's no like stock wheels. It's just these wheels, bald winners in the rear. Shit, it's like fuck. But it's okay. It's whatever. We gonna get stock wheels eventually. You know what I'm saying? Just cause like I need backups. I can't just have these like. I don't know, they're not practical. They're expensive to buy tires for, bro. I mean, 245's nothing crazy, but like, fuck. You think I'm trying to buy 245s all the time? Fuck that shit. If I gotta run 215s all around, I'm gonna run 215s all around, you feel me? Fuck even 205, guy. I'm not gonna be ripping on them, but, you know. Cheap them thing that... No steelies, though. No steelies. I'm not that type of guy. I don't think I've had steelies on any of my cars, and I've had 4 cars, including this one. So, you know how need Steelies. Nothing against people with Steelies, but I'm just saying, I'm not that guy. I've had this car for about a month now, and like honestly, like it's just crazy because driving it, like it makes me like happier than I was driving the E36. Like I love the E36. It was a good car. Like don't get me wrong, but like I don't know, the amount of times like this thing's already put a smile on my face compared to that car, it's just like wow. But you already know, I'm like a fanboy over this VQ shit. So like, if you know me, you understand. It's like, I'm like, there's something wrong with me. I'm into this shit. All right, let's get it on. I'll show you the 2005 Infiniti G35 6-speed rev up. I'll flex the rev up in a second, but here we go. Here she is. This is the car. These are the fucking, I'll show you the N. This is an N. Oh, come on. You see that? Nish. That's how I say it. Oh, so you see these lug nuts? Some weird ass shit. I'm gonna get rid of this. I don't like that, to be honest. But just because these ones are rusted. If they weren't rusted, it'd slip in better. But anyway, you see what I mean? Where is it? Your boy blind. Oh, the last owner fucked this thing. But anyway, that said 245 and then 4018. Not cheap. Fuck that. Yeah, it's got a little energy wheel, as you can see, energy sticker. And oh fuck, hold on. Why am I showing you from the outside as if the same car? Nothing crazy, no quick release, whatever. But oh yeah, this I guess is a good time to show you the HR before the camera dies. And I say HR only because it's just a higher revving one. You know what I'm saying? So there's actually more people here than I thought. Oh shit, my hand, this is awful, but yeah. As the main way I can tell that it's a rev up is because these two boys right here and you know, the sensors, all that. Because the normal DED, it doesn't actually have two phases. That's what I believe this is called. Just fucking. And I like with this one because the newer ones don't have a it's like a pulley auxiliary fan, I think it's called, or whatever. But like basically, there'd be a fan here with like 4 bolts just like this, and then I think there's one less rad fan. But yeah, it's sick. Fuck with this thing. There's the little cold air I was talking about, or well, just a little fucking intake. It's some basic bullshit, but look at that. Look at that. You seen that? You see that? I can just shove her in right there. This is really loose because this is actually a big ghetto. What is it resting on? Oh my god. A lot of dirt gets in here. I don't like that. I don't like that. But that's like drift car status. And then you look at this side. It's still got this. Look! Look, wait, can you see that sticker in there? Oh, fuck. Yeah, there you go. The Nissan shit. Nissan protector. That's funny. And then you got this, but this, yeah, obviously these came with a D, I believe. The 05 still came with these. I don't think they ever actually from factory came with a rev up. So it's kind of cool. I don't know if I'm right. Let me know if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure sedans, sorry, were not ever made with or fuck. You know what I'm trying to say? Sedans didn't come with fucking rev ups from factory. I don't think. It was just the D's. It was still D even if it was automatic or manual. But some shops swapped this shit, supposedly. So anyway, you get what you get, right? But these headlights are pretty nice. I really like this front end, honestly. I really like this bumper. It's not bad. I've seen a few G people on Instagram. There's like a little eBay fucking... What is that? Oh, that's from the snow. Yeah, there's an eBay lip you can put on these. I'm like, alright. And I don't like this. It's black, bro. Order clear ones, you pussy. Anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. Order clear version of these tails, put the first gen reverse lights in instead of these circle ones, because I like them, but oh, I didn't know that. But in there it's starting to peel. But this is sick. I'd like to get that redone, keep that nice, keep the rear end looking good. I'm so happy with everything in this, and it's just so nice. It's so nice. If you're not familiar with G35s, this is my favorite part of the back, is just this. And then if you're sitting back here and it's actually only 4 people, like say I'm going for a drive, right? I love this, bro. Hold on, this is just a pet peeve of mine. I like to have the car interior perfect, bro. But anyway, I'm like, when niggas sit back here, how do they fuck this up? I can't fucking, oh, can I fix it? Okay, so when you're sitting back here, oh wow, I haven't sat back here in a long time. Whoo, like, yo, you put your arm right here, like, I'm straight relaxing. Oh my god. Like, yo. Oh my god. And that's why I traded the E36 for a 2005 6-speed manual G35. I didn't know it actually had a rev up until the day before the trade happened. Oh yeah, I like to flex that because that's awesome. Tilt boys. You know how it is. This is how I'm gonna be coming for a little bit. A thumbnail? I don't know. Like in person, it looks better than it does on camera. I can't really like. That's not thumbnail. That's garbage. Look at that. Like, hold on. The camera needs to be on for this. Oh my god. Like, I was like, I love how much negative camber I have on the front of the G, like the first one I had when it was on the Racelands, but this one, because I think, I don't know what, like, I'm gonna be honest, I couldn't tell what they were, if they're camber arms or if they're toe arms, but anyway, no, I don't think they're toe arms, because the toe arms on G's replaced the fucking, that spring bucket, and it wasn't the spring, because I still have that stupid, hold on, I'm gonna show y'all real quick. I don't know, I watch videos on this shit, but you see that bucket right there? Before you do coilovers, there's a spring in there that sits there, but because when you do the coilover, you have a true, like, bullshit. Oh, I can't get you guys in there, but you seen that. So that bucket, it stays there, but it's basically useless. But you see that purple? Hold on. See that purple one right there? What is that? Tell me. I want to say camber arm, but I don't know. Anyway. Oh yeah, pre-the exhaust right there. What the fuck is that shit? So that's not my flexes, obviously, because we're way back here. There's just a weird ass 3-inch mid pipe. Some bullshit. But look. If that ain't on my mama, I got negative camera. In the rear, I didn't have that like crate. I don't know. I just geek out about how it looks. This thing sits nice in the rear. The front needs spacers. But yeah, this is my 2005 G35 and I'm happy. So hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys like the fucking thing. And I got a VQ. And that's it. Because I'm a VQ now. My camera got dirty and shit from the car. Yo, my camera gonna start rusting. Alright, see you guys. Hope you guys actually enjoyed. I'm gonna see if I can start uploading more. See if I can come up with more shit like this.